How to eliminate stink bugs. Stink bugs live up to their name. They emit an unpleasant odor as a self-defense mechanism in an attempt to avoid becoming dinner for a lizard or bird. Individuals who've had close encounters with these pests describe the odor as rotten fruit and pine, musk and skunk. Stink bugs primarily target farm crops and fruits, making them unmarketable, but they also like yards, home gardens and fields. Stink bugs do not harm humans, but they can bite. Things you'll need: silicone or silicone latex caulk, synthetic pyrethroid insecticide, vacuum, disposable vacuum bags, insect light trap, sticky glue board trap, organically acceptable insecticide. With silicone or silicone latex caulk, seal cracks that provide an opening for stink bugs to enter the house. Check areas such as the siding, windows, utility pipe openings, doors, chimneys, attics and crawl spaces. Repair window and door screens. Preventing stink bugs from entering the house is the best way of managing the pests. Apply synthetic pyrethroid insecticides to the exterior of the house on the west and south-facing sides, paying special attention to doors and windows. The best time to do this is in the fall, just before the stink bugs gather to hibernate. Sunlight breaks down the insecticide, necessitating reapplication every 7 to 10 days. Vacuum up stink bugs inside the house, and immediately dispose of the vacuum bag. The smell of the stink bug may linger in the vacuum cleaner. Attempt to find the point of entry and seal it. Examine areas such as baseboards, ceiling lights and exhaust fans. Turn off outdoor lighting, and close window coverings at night. Stink bugs are attracted to light. Install an insect light trap in the attic. Use sticky glue board traps on window sills and other points of entry. The traps will not catch all the pests, but they help. Scoop up stink bugs you discover on outside plants. Tap the bugs into a small container with a lid, or use an insect net. If necessary, treat them with an organically acceptable insecticide.